Hey guys, welcome to Maths tutorial. Today we will learn to find the value of the expression 5 times square root of 5 times square root of 5 infinitive. If you like the video, please consider subscribing my channel and please hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Please like and share it and comment in the comment section. So let's start. Let's assume the value of the given quantity equal to a. Now look that the value inside the first square root is also a. So we can rewrite it as 5 square root of a is equal to a. Now squaring the both sides, we get 25a is equal to a square. Now we will rearrange it, and doing that we get a square minus 25a is equal to 0. Look that a is common in the both terms. So we can write it as a times a minus 25 is equal to 0. Now we know that if the product of two terms is 0, then the value of either of those terms will be 0. So, either a is 0 or a minus 25 is 0. So, the value of a is either 0 or 25. Now look that a is a positive number. So, a can't be 0. So, a must be 25. So, we have found the value of the given quantity, and that value is 25. So, this is our final answer. Thank you for watching.